Ebusian for my mom, Aquaba and found Bragana, Sam TVGH, Messer, like, comment, subscribe. Turn your notification so that
almost a mafia MPP businessman for low key.
Yes.
My mentor, I dare start to go on, baby, or moyan. Almost a dreadful phone was, can they say, almost see more, no, almost in the black chock. Ah, drive to be a macusi more. It to do over back to my baba tardy and or ma. Oh, it no sewer more, no see a channel for money NDC partnership.
Yeah. And the Omar systematically a weekend Ashanti regional and this MPP4 stronghold. And they are doing this, they have moved from Ashanti region and they have come to Eastern region. Now move from Eastern region now. Where do you think is next? A Western region. They know everything they are doing. And by 2028, no, yeah,
in the Omaho, yeah, chin for yan pretend you. Woman to me, so you to me, what to mean the or chain at them, won't some be without or chin if you ho. Mahama won't tell me, Mahama, ye, Mahama, my way ye, your catch him saka, also, what me see.
Me
say, Mahama, ye bear ma wombra. Chibi,
the voice. Let me give the preamble. And they are systematically trying to weaken the whole MPP party. But me, I am there. Say, we move free TikTokers, ni social media for so no, or company for no so that 2028 no, obiabu before our juma. Yeah, obiabu before our juma. Because Sika buy even last minute 2024 for D where people were chopping the money. Now it's still possible. Mo Auntie Selena, Muni, Mayamu, and the others. They were busy sending money down here. Me kai. Do we say, oh, voice culture way school, culture way, a lorry fair, wait for women, wait for my. Meanwhile, no Sika na eba from one nano. Now crofobit na so mudi. And then saying me voice, I'm free, I'm walking about. And see, MPP as a party, no, we must sit down, look within ourselves, and try to re-strategize. And very, very important. I am a whole chairman of our party. But NDC form we are their own. They don't care whatever you are to them. Baby mama, or bet you. But MPP4, and I wear me ex, and I when I breaking me virginity, and I women in an law school, and I wear me a colleague, and I way away, and then even appointment Mumpono, MPP people were recommending non-NDC sympathizers. And yeah, no, I balance and I say I'm a special prosecutor. Any Nanabi, can you come in 5 minutes?
Madam Seminia, Yamisha Opani, Akwanya Odiamamo platform. Now, for the past almost 1 week near, yeah, exactly 1 week, chama, to be frank. I said, be a free me, be a free at the case, my friend, the Cassibium and a free muko. Because I didn't make us, the attorney say, chama won't to me any pebia. Some papani jina hono ma. Nase o depart in any ma. NDC for who say Mahama nim say chama won't me kwa bet me as a jina. Ama party number power coming 2028. Enti yanhwe atete any say who sama yedia to papa no so enka adewi enfa babia say enka de krabam because of politics inti mama said that jelly chama won't me. Na eya na yemi ya eya na metwa na yemi ya pa se yenya NPP no mufuo ni bi ama yesi yentuma gwa hata wa monten yenya MPP fo no mpanimfo ni bi asi yentuma gwa hata abonten de mama ye nyina yi enka cheche ekoso nyina se nke party no mu edin enka PC o se party no unity no wom pa gidi pa kawinka chama untumi yache nka hwinsi but yache enipa wonu ko betumi asori agina at the same time a brave party no went to wom yes ye power ye pitumi 2028 no me koso tisi ntimi an kambane an kan ho amum anyina sori amaji wo ma we panti oh my Ghana ya wo fa pempani ya wo fa pem eya na me ya apart from NPP odi no ma papa egu okwa o ma we ya eya na me ya pass Ghana for ye nipa bonefo Ghana for yetimu ya dina onyame na ayeye saa onyame pas edu baby no onyame pese otwe aso ahon omani pa ba ko pe oprimu na koma omani primu na koma no word ma fati team mama second round second term ya obaye enyankopon ne ma ne bae ene wo primu na koma ene wo de ni din samfon se sie ya ansa na me be join no platform na me hwe lady bidable nurse fu so makoye demonstration bi ama say police for ahwe wo mo
Saa na tie.
yesa police for ahwe wo mo madable lady ba ko kra de na ho nyina de moja
Na ga say ehwe na so.
enti oma we pa hefa na ye ko inna mama de oma we iko mama enti Ghana ye ne dia don mama Ghana ye ne dia na
Kochebi, ade Kochebi.
enti buzi anum time ne champion num time no pa se na etie pa enti ye benya democracy no hey don mama ye widini don mama o ye widini mambofo na nyankopon na katua onyame katua ehu che bibia onyame katua ehu che bibia don mama ye Ghana fo ye ni hwe ka kire no o de ye din NPP mpenefo onfo na nisi omo so na fa ba bi ni to da bi na ye me dem NPP mpenefo fa ba bi na ye me dem ni kwa se ka me kasa ani but meka e ba ne sei ene mo hwe de omodi ye NPP mo amo mo hwe kwan omodi mo fa so.
See, even only me say on one of convince to me say chema want to me say oh ebusafo yen power tap why omo report live no pamcho yen power tap screen also yen power tap screen so omo report live no on one omo be catch the chema want to me say ebe ya onko pan mama cho but when chema want to me was going they leaked the information on social media and they were teasing to me say okopa mama cho okopa cho ni na awie so no still ade amu plan ye no omo carry it through.
What you say? Ye hwe ateti pa mama di don mama di NPP for year fam. Na ye me ya don mama ye ni hwe ka kire no ye ni Nyankopon. Ye di don mama Nyankopon. Ye di don mama ye di ni Nyankopon. O de won koso no koso. Koso an no koso na ne mreme so. Emre ye ni nkaso.
Yo.
Emre ye ni nkaso. Entimi de me ma no si no. Ekwan ya sisi ai ekwan wase ye fa so a ye benya unity no we party nim na ye wase ye hwe minim se ye mpanimfo no chama untunum de ni nam ombetu wana mom but unity no ye first yes player we ba kwa na ebu ka boma emu because tamana NPP tamana 2016 na do ba fa ai no utimi se unity na o de buy no na no den but yan hwe enne enti kwan e be fa so isa unity ni be ba ansa na de kwan na de nim no enye konketo wo sankofu we mu etimi di nantwe hyafom nantwe aduasa mienu hyafom ukoka ne achewo enye konketo ene da honom saa no enti unity de eye number 1 unity
Yo, midasi na bi.
number 1 minianum memfa no si na miniazo emram bi
midasi ebushanfo en na ye woga na ha no obi a oye ade a ye criminal no na aban no shield nipa no din crime ba bonten mbeka ya ye ti se na obi di white powder bi call VVIP lounge of Kotoka airport till enna me no ye kasa nipa ko no ni din nya ba bonten o but nipa o anye hwi wuntumi mo anye hwi they will make sure say o ma jeli nipa no
NPP for no kwale be nipa ni di NPP for
yeah last year Last year, omu claim say omu ko chi fake gold be any fake dollars be. Omu si alaji bi na alaji ni jani till na minu ye kasa alaji nu di nya babon ti ameni we nim ne. Ebia ehun alaji nu okro kasa wa alaji we police for about
NDC for platforms.
yeah. That but
They say
AMPP
NDC for power. Fictitious deals. Akesi. NDP.
No more
auntie,
lobby contract. My NDC for penny for. Na mo
yo,
NDP
auntie
for
Abigail, bring 5 minutes. Auntie Abigail, bring 5 minutes. It's you.
MPP for mo no my mo atan for mo lo mo anka mo post mutimi lobby contract my NDC ni na MPP ni battle. Mo nya hu hwe. Yeah, one united. This is the time I bet me bring you on down because they are doing a lot of, excuse my word, stupid things. This is the time I can huboma campaign bet me started from this time. Underground. I move. Ama ye nyina ba back to one way. Wa hwe kwan yo de chiama want me fa so. Martin komo bin komo na meti ye ne kire se. Omo se onyi ne ho free MPP mu. Oyi ne ho free no be join NDC.
Can you imagine?
Na ba say papa no so ompini o se den. Eno no na no so ne mama so.
Eno no ye 2013. Eno no sa yin de si o 2013. Omo fe ne meeting de ko tamale no.
Thank you.
I can't so much on
NDC. Me person make can say we should all as executive intokwa we executive ntem enyema basa na we akawe we dey free album mu we sisi MPP for na echoki omo ma NDC no pa fa okra ebesu wo say NDC ombeto ama NDC wo dey fa nipa ebesu wo say MPP ombeto NDC ni no beto ama akokọ no
Auntie Abigail
MPP for obi disika kra bre ya yetimi din kwa asem.
Auntie Abigail, me.
Yes.
Mbekaya, earlier this year, Assembly by say Council of State member, big guy of Free Voter Region, or you're involved in some scam, be wakoje obisika, Katari bisika, you good amount. Did you see the kind of unity that came from Voter Region? Both MPP and NDC for now, Ekabom said, Debbie, yeah, my own disgrace vote Nisa. But Ekodu Asantini Sudie. Some of the people, I don't want to say it.
Me see ya honum, let me tell you, my mention wa debi. Asante region ankasa. Ebi mo group be there, okay. Group be there, okay.
Yo.
But you know something? The whole thing is from omunti asese ba omi afi enough. If you omu na ye kufo omu asefo ni be there, ka by this time MPP, obi anti obi anu kasa o. Obi anti but sad there ne wasi e close sa pipes na ene sikedie basa na ase e wasi e di we ekoye campaign na penimu bi atena so ye di sika bra ya waso ye friend say o kan kwe north ha se nkofon fa nkoto aba e hye nipa ba ko botom nipa ba ko botom up to now ebi wo okra me am sika na am de solicitor man ko for di koto aba miam sika namde enso ni ama omo sika se obi wo kumase a ye fa mom ye nyina ye ka ho bi ene de ye hunu ye nyina ya anye ya unite ame ya nka ye niema mbom as MPP for ni anye ye niema ya NDC for nbe di ye so sa ye boy asum grace ye nye hwe ye nsa mo ya asum san kwase asem excuse my way was ye jai omo di jabbai was ye di jachi om because ankrofo no mo nye papa me let me tell you, when I was in Kumasi I pretended as an NDC. I'm a year Juma in my NDC. But let me tell you something. If I want to get it from me information free. Me nyobi wo MPP mo ye penny and my catching say the same master mo. But when him say NDC we will never do that. When him first we always get information from them. Not because they were not united. Kakra ni enya more information. What you say? But we should unite near because ahun ye kanfo no ahun ye we koso we pure like ye nyina ye ntwene hwe from sade no e wo yafa we see ye jai ne nyina ye kambo as a party. This is the time of mudin semfun anke betimi aye underground campaigns. Those said they are in power before mbe to omani no ne yesu ye wie wo mo omo yi omo ho hwie a enyi yi because and then na me tia dey be catch him say from say oh yeah aban na person we near from this year September it was all started why dey be also any spiritual thing you want say yeah we can first vice chairman or say political party na and you ni dey you so solicit with your God and do whatever is important for your party to come to power.
Minority speaker.
Yes. Also solicit with your God and then do what you for any kind of yeah, say MPP for obi etimetra and then obi can say be say MPP flag na ISN go for the akosha form the nine in tree eguso. It's bringing way being and no can say MPP wasn't like that to the extent say go for the party in man in number baby and he said so we have to find that means we see it as near my party was the air costume MPP wasn't like this. Me see NDC penny be am nim no catch me plain say adwa or no sa no frame adwa NDC ne egu yi ba moti bibi entokwa bi ewom up to now let me tell you entokwa egu ewe NDC me chen ye de no inseme ekoso wo mu no chen ye de no ye de bibia na gbagbagbagbagba ye ya beto amonti na we egu afu na we sise menye we si mento aba we si ye ne ento mo panish ye ya ye di panish muma nyina ye nkan de me kan ko se muma nyina ye nkan mbom ni nyina ye unite ni enti menye ye djuma ni ye from this time out by the time we realize no tema seats I'm telling you for sure mupa mo fansa baby on be lose seats ni nyina cause asem kwa no do tema muye mo djuma ye don't lose all the tema seats sa don do melo seats ya wa be fei o be say o kan kwe not o de mo fansa baby asonka se mutimi ye mo djuma ye o kan kwe not seat mbe sanje mo ade I know why I'm saying that. She's just fooling. Onye hwe wa ha. Just say waste of enti mama mo ni da ho. This is the time am betimi aye bibi. Kaswa seat me say I'm telling you. Pa mo fansen baby. Upa yen santo about this sa seat on mo nya ye na ba o me be tu won say oye wi ni ankofo yiyo madwo mu wi a baby. Do me kwa benya say we nya or the two o san wi e bi gumu. Ni me wo ho no ma ye gu bi ba wo fre panimu bi a odin se bia wo pesike bi na bibi time omo wo position
so me dey say we ko ka ya party for that me yen ka atwamuti
asa me dey
me I say we dey bia me ka boys bo ko ba ka so su jai ti ya me jai it me dey
because this is the time I say wo ko baby na say obi free obi. Let me tell you something. Yeah, about power we should come with kakai eyes. Men kasa wo da wo dem ye minister wo MP e wo se wo gina field me see John Dumelo gimpa ha wo beto abana no aka chose jiska ne koto no mo kasa leader mom na yes no na ewi aba. I'm telling you gimpa ha me na for mo be 200 cities
omo na no mo kwa akoye no mo
massa omo na no mo yes ade gimpa ha ya me see
I say we
betting na tia kwa gimpa
I say we me can play who is the boys MPP NDC leadership omutie street for the chain omutie form for the chain bia for the year call ya obetie at one among
me see gimpa gate na no ya
ko to about so problem I was sad there no ye leadership over further man information o few o 2-1 among
me see me jina ha say o kan kwe not ha say me jina ho na ewi me frɛ obi o ka che me say me nkoda
Yo.
enti me so me koda me see ye to about me ma me meet me jina police station unti me fa ba kokura mfa machi because my police station ejuma me ma ya che me meet me jina ba wo ma be bu say am say na aden me who if you out me so kind to na or the train is share no who say MPP deal me you are me sort it out. Esan kind biom because me ma won be wia me candidate na wo candidate in be di me so
Yo, me da say bigger.
me see me person me can say we me see George Melo okuta 200 cedis uduru asije fakoto abama me on call you ugina ho to see e kan aba no na MPP ni no way na wada
Yo.
things we have to stop when it's election time we should say e do time I wonim say wo na wo ho no ma come there let's all count it ugina ho ye bo a wo so atro unka say wo polling agent
Right.
It do time na they all come there.
Yo. With our Santa Abigail. Yo, Maya, I drop your 5 minutes. Good evening. Maya, oh.
Yeah, voice. Me we adwuma mu ntina voice ne beba from kakra.
No problem. Feel free. 5 minutes. You go.
Voice. Ade ba ko a ye hu ne say sa 92 Professor Dubu Ahim na na adom na se form break is a culture of silence. Enkwala na Gen Z fo na ba no mu amehu binti no. Efofo wo mo.